Hey, I'm Bella. And I'm Selena with Locks and Locks of Hairstyles, and today we're going to be doing a Waterfall Bohemian twist. So keep watching. Thanks! So I've just gone ahead and used my Helen of Troy Gold Series wand and curled half up, half down, and I'm going to now pull the other part down and Bohemian twist it. Okay, take up a section and split it in half, and then I'm just going to Bohemian twist it and add some to the top, but drop the bottom and pick up the piece directly underneath, making that my new second piece. Do it again. Go to pick up some hair, drop that, get directly underneath it. Add in a little piece, pick up a new little piece, twist it around, add some in, drop him, grab a new one. And I'm just going to take a bobby pin. I've just gone ahead and bobby pinned it in just to make sure it's really secure. You're going to want to use a lot. I'm going to hide it with the other hair or a hair accessory, whichever you desire. So I'm just going to stick my wand underneath and wrap around her head. And then loosen it. And pick up the next strand. You have to be super careful so that you don't pull out the waterfall braid while you're doing this. So I just have this cute little flower with an alligator clip on the back, and I'm just going to slide it over so you can't see the bobby pins. And there you go. It's really cute, really elegant. It's good for pretty much every occasion.
This can't be love because